Okay, we'll start. Look at here. If 3x equal to cosec theta, if 3x equal to cosec theta, 3x equal to cosec theta, 3 by x equal to cot theta, 3 by x equal to cot theta. Find 3 times x square minus 1 by x square. 3x equal to 3x equal to cosec theta. 3 by x equal to cot theta. Find the value of 3 times x square minus 1 by x square. Okay, 3 times x square minus 1 by x square. Okay, can you try? Okay, try this one. 3x equal to cosec theta. Okay, 3 by x equal to cot theta. Find 3 times x square minus 1 by x square. What will do? The first one, x equal to cosec theta by 3. Second one, 1 by x equal to cot theta by 3. Correct or not? Right? 3x equal to 3x equal to cosec theta. So x equal to cosec theta by 3. 3 by x equal to cot theta. 1 by x equal to cot theta by 3. So come back here. 3 times x square cosec square theta by 9 minus 1 by x square cot square theta by 9. So we can take 3 by 9 outside, cosec square theta minus cot square theta. What is that? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta 1. That means 3 by 9 equal to 1 by 3. Okay, copy first. Okay, answer is what? 1 by 3. Answer is 1 by 3. You don't have doubt? Once again, 3x equal to cosec theta. Therefore, x equal to cosec theta by 3. 3 by x equal to cot theta. So 1 by x equal to cot theta by 3. This is the question we are finding. 3 times cosec square theta by 9 minus cot square theta by 9. 9 outside, 3 by 9 into cosec square theta minus cot square theta, that is 1. So 3 by 9, that is 1 by 3. Okay. So next question, right? Okay. 1 plus, next question. 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. So today we'll finish this chapter, okay? 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Look at here. You can try. If you want, you can try. Listen. Here, this become plus and multiply. What do you call that? You studied last year, conjugate, right? So You multiply the numerator and denominator with a into 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta into 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. So this one 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta whole square divided by a minus b into a plus b. This is one term. A plus b into a minus b. That is 1 plus cos theta whole square minus sin square theta. Okay, right up to that. Up to here, okay, all? Hello. Is it okay up to here? What we did, we multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin theta. Conjugate. We studied last year, conjugate center. Okay. Roshan. Getting or not? Okay. Joan, getting or not? Prayas. Okay. Hania. Is it okay or? So now what to do? You open the bracket. This one you open the bracket like a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square. What is that? Here 1 plus cos square theta plus sin square theta plus, okay, wait. You copy this all now. So look at, okay, I'm writing here 1 plus cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2ab, 2 cos theta plus 2bc, 2 cos theta sin theta plus 2 sin theta divided by 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta minus sin square theta. Check the step. You just open a plus b plus c whole square, a square, b square plus c square, 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. This is a plus b whole square, 1 square cos square theta plus 2 cos theta minus sin square theta. Look at here, this part 1. So 1, this one, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 cos theta plus common 2 cos theta sin theta plus 2 sin theta, 2 sin theta outside cos theta plus 1 divided by, okay. So you, I can rub this one. You copy this one, right or not? Hello, do you copy or not? This part you copy or not? Everyone copy or not? Hello. This step I can rub, right? Okay. Okay. So then look, there's a lengthy one. So here 2 plus 2 cos theta. Oh, sorry. This one, look at here. This one and this one combined. 1 minus sin square theta, cos square theta, plus this cos square theta, plus 2 cos theta. Okay. Next line, common here, 2 into 1 plus cos theta, plus 2 sin theta into 1 plus cos theta, divided by 2 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. Okay. What's the common here? This full common. 2 into 1 plus cos theta common. Okay. Balance here 1. Here only sin theta. Divided by 2 cos theta outside. Cos theta plus 1. See, cancel this one. 2 cancel. Answer what? 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Check all the steps. I'll wait. Okay. Check the steps out. Okay. Okay. Finish. Is it okay now? Okay. So you comments each step. Check it. Is it okay now? Hello. Finish. Then okay. Okay. Next question, right? If x by a cos theta, if x by a cos theta if x by a cos theta, x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta equal to 1, then x by a sin theta plus minus y by b cos theta equal to 1. Prove that x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 2. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 2. Okay. Try now. It's quite simple. We just open this one. Sorry, squaring on both sides. Because square here, so square this side. This is also square, and adding we get it. Try now. So you try first one a plus b whole square. Next one a minus b whole square. Okay. It's okay now. Hello. Just square it. First one, second one, and add it. Okay, look at here. Okay, you open this one, what happened? When you open this one, we'll get x square by a square cos square theta plus y square by b square sin square theta plus 2xy by ab cos theta sin theta equal to 1. This one, x square by a square sin square theta plus y square by b square cos square theta minus 2xy by ab cos theta sin theta equal to 1. Okay. When we add, listen, what happened? When we add this to add, this is common, x square by a square into cos square theta plus sin square theta plus y square by b square into this one is cancel equal to 2. So here what, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, because this is also 1. Okay, so equal to 2. Okay. So okay now. It's okay now. Clear, Priyas. Look, the first part, you square on both sides. Second part also square on both sides and add it. It's clear now. Hello, finish or not? Okay, so next one, right? If it's okay, everyone okay or not? Hello, we have today we'll finish this chapter revisions. Okay, so next week's next Sunday you are trying the test for this chapter. Okay, and Wednesday, Saturday we'll do the application of trigonometry. Okay, then we have remaining polynomial. Correct or no? Okay, and Chota chapter, that one, which one? Number system half. Okay, right. Next question. If Ck equal to x plus 1 by 4x, seek A equal to x plus 1 by 4x. Seek A equal to x plus 1 by 4x. Ck equal to x plus 1 by 4x. prove that sec A plus tan A, sec plus tan A equal to 2x or 1 by 2x. Okay. Sec A equal to question. Sec A equal to x plus 1 by 4x. Then sec plus tan A, sec A plus tan A equal to 2x or 1 by 2x. That is okay. Listen here. I'll show this one. I'll show this question. Okay. Come on, Priyas. Question is what? Question is given sec A equal to x plus 1 by 4x. Sec A equal to x plus 1 by 4x. Prove that sec A plus tan A equal to 2x or 1 by 2. This one we have to find out. Two answers will be there. Okay. Now look at here. Sec A already there. We don't have tan A. That we have to find out. How? Look at here. Sec A equal to x plus 1 by 4x. Squaring on both sides. Okay. It just first you write. Listen. Given is sec A equal to x plus 1 by 4x. Okay. To find sec A plus tan A equal to 2x or 1 by 2x. So we don't have tan A, but we have sec A. From the sec A, we can find out tan A. Look at here. Squaring on both sides, sec square A equal to x plus 1 by 4x whole square. That is x square plus 1 by 16x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 4x. That is x square plus 1 by 16x square plus 1 by 2. Correct or no? Then 6, you know that 6 square A is 1 plus tan square A equal to x square plus 1 by 16x square plus 1 by 2. 1 is going this side. So tan square A equal to x square plus 1 by 16x square minus 1 by 2. Correct or no? Half minus 1 minus 1 by 2. This is equal to x plus, sorry, x minus 1 by 4x whole square.